Hey everybody, I hope you all have been doing well. So today I wanted to show you all how I make these super cute marble design shortbread cookies. They taste like Pillsbury, which is amazing, and they are really easy to make. So let's get started. So all you're gonna need is some margarine, sugar, flour, vanilla, and food coloring. So the first step in any cookie recipe really is to cream the butter. I mean margarine, probably interchange those two words a lot, but the easiest way I find to do this if you don't have a stand mixer or a hand mixer is to use a wooden spoon. It just works so well and creams the butter beautifully. Look at how fluffy and soft that is. Next, you're going to want to add in your sugar and then mix that as well. The vanilla is optional, but I like to add it in there. And then for the flour, I'll add that in to the mix in 3 parts. So taking your dough, you're going to divide it in half and then divide a half into thirds to color later. And then you're going to put your divided dough onto separate pieces of saran wrap and kind of shape them on there and wrap that up and refrigerate. So you're going to want to let that sit there for at least 15 minutes. Any longer and you're going to have to let it thaw 5 minutes before use. So I decided to color my cookies pink, a bluey purple, and green. And then I mixed them with a spoon because I didn't want to get dye on my hands. So for rolling out the dough, you're going to want to flour a surface. And then to mix the colors, you're going to take your plain color, your colored dough, and I kind of didn't have a method to do this, but I laid them next to each other and just like kind of twisted and folded it on top of each other. I don't really know how to explain that, but I just kept on doing that until I thought that it would make a nice design. Once I'm happy with that, I just flour a rolling pin and roll it out. I like my cookies a little bit on the thicker side, so I rolled out the dough to like, I want to say a centimeter. And then using a cookie cutter, I just cut out circles. And repeat the process for all other colors. So you're going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And you're all done. They are so cute. I think definitely would retry making the green because it didn't really show up the greatest, but they taste like Pillsbury, as I said before. At this point, I'm not really sure what exactly happened, but I mean, I was having a little bit of a rough day, so I don't know why, but these cookies made me kind of emotional, probably because they reminded me of my childhood. So I kind of had a mental breakdown, but I'm okay now. Anyways, these cookies were really fun to make and they were really easy. So if you do try them out, please comment down below how they turned out, any changes you would suggest, and yeah, I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. Take care!